You don't like me talking about politics because you don't like what I have to say because you can no longer use me. There is no raid. There was never a raid. You are spreading fake news. You are lying to the people. Basi nakalimot ang tanan that for a raid to happen, dapat na ay kaso. Na ay kaso, nga na ay warrant. Ang warrant, mauna siya ang cause sa raid. People should tell you that. So giunsa man nga ang kaso, tuaman sa ICC. And besides, ngano i-raid man gyud ang balay ni PRRD? He's not a drug lord. He fought drug lords. Maumagot na yung point. You keep lying to the people of Davao City because you are using how they feel about PRRD. You are using how they feel. You are using the fact that they are loving and loyal to him. That's why inyo na lang permigamito na. Inyong permigamiton. You keep on lying. What would the raid be for? Sige nga, unsa man gyoy rason. Has there been any proof? Mingog plano? Brad, walay raid nga ginaplano ra nga ginatawag-tawag ra o ginatext-text na. Oh my God, binulok. Di mo kibawag balaod. All of a sudden, a law student that did not finish law but knows law, all of a sudden, wala ka kibalo, unsaon ang raid? All of a sudden, dili na mo apply kay all of a sudden, kamu ra gyud ang samok-samokon. No, kamu ang nagsamok-samok because you keep lying to the people of Davao City nga kintahay na raid. There was never a raid. Because if there was, it should start with na ay kaso nga gi-file. Unsa lagi kaso? The kaso is in the ICC. In the ICC. Okay? So ngano i-raid man ang balay ni PRRD? What is the cause? What is the reason? If you're gonna plan a coup d'etat against this government, di man kailangan sa balay niya, bes. Kadaghan mag-area sa Davao nga pwede na. So, mauna siya. You keep on lying to the people of Davao City because you know nga mutuo sila ninyo because they love PRRD so much. But dili man gud na pwede. You are going to turn them into funny objects. Dapat ang mga tao ngayon, anak, ang love and loyal kaayo mo, dili ninyo duwa-duwaan, oy! Dili ninyo duwa-duwaan. Because uwaw kaayo that even the police ningon na gyud nga murumog mga buang. Ako, I feel bad for my friend because I know that he had the heart to really care because itawagan kintay siya nga naay raid so natarantar siya. And I understand that. But what I don't understand is that magtuo-tuo mog bakak. Magtuo-tuo mog bakak because you feel that this is the greatest injustice that had ever happened to you. But you know what? The greatest injustice is people using you because of how you feel. Inyong emotions nga ginagamit ragi hapon against sa inyo. Really? Kano sa man nag-start na naakin tayo, sige nga, para unsa man. Everybody knows no one is there. Everybody knows that PRRD is in the ICC already. Diba? So dapat ang gi-continue nga magsigi og priority para makauli siya, ang gi-continue kana dili nga you keep disturbing people to make them believe that there is a raid that will never happen because walay kaso. Walay kaso. It's preposterous. Di na ninyo ma-realize? Unsay ikaso nga again balikon, unsay pangitaon sa iyang balay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I get fanaticism. I do, but not to this extent. But maumagod na, ang inyong fanaticism gigamit na against sa inyo. And ako ang mali? No. Kamo ang namali for believing in people na ginagamit ramo. Ginagamit ragyud mo because of your feelings. Di na ninyo makita, of course, because love yung kayo nato si PRRD. But I love him too. I do. But I am not going to disturb myself, stay outside his house, protect his house from a supposed raid when in fact, wala mang gyoy raid because unsa may kaso niya. He's already in the ICC. Whatever documents he may have, it won't be in his house. Unsa may baginaon? What? O sige, karon na pod, dili naman sa balay ni PRRD. Dito na pod sa balay ni Kong Pulong. Unsa may naakin tayo sa balay ni Kong Pulong? Unsa man gipod kiapoy kaso? Ay mo ingon mo nga, na-thwart among plano so appeal nako. No. Dili ko appeal. Because dili ko magpailad kay kibalo ko magunahuna. Nga for a raid to happen, baliko na ko ha. For a raid to happen, dapat na ay kaso, na ay warrant, then na ay raid. Kay kanaktanan, papilado na. Because you love to hate the PNP, don't you? You love to make up stories that the PNP is this and that. So do you think that the PNP will just go in there and march in there? And risk the personnel? Kapila na na. I was in Davao, kapila na na. My friends mismo nga polis nga naa diya sa Davao, moingon nagog, wagin ni kibalo ma'am jam, ug asa gyud na nilagikan. And that's exactly it. Because you want the drama to stay a drama so that people will keep on feeling the way they feel. But hantod kanus ana. Hantod kanus anang inyong pagpamakak nga na i-raid nga mahitabo bisan wala. So that's why dili mo ganan mo storya ko about politics because you don't like the truth to come out. You don't like the truth to come out. Nga gidrama ra ninyo ang mga tao and gigamit ninyo how they feel about you. I will not blame PRRD because I'm pretty sure nga wala gid siya kasayrunan ani. I'm pretty sure di siya ganan mga hasol og mga tao. So, whoever is making up all of this drama para patuuhon mo, inyo na. Okay? Muro na ko nagrelasyon. You know you are with a bad partner, but you will stay anyway because you love them, because you think things will change. It won't. The thing is, they will never tell you the truth kaya mawala naman. Mahilom naman. Mahanaw naman. As it should. Because kibalo mo nga no, si PRRD dili matagaan og interim release because the ICC can see your reaction. You think that they will release him? That makontinue pa ning kaso, inyo nang itago. Diba? Moobito nang gidala siya dito. Diba? The reason why they will not give him an interim release because they know nga mag-go-vote if they release because dili na makontinue ang kaso and it will be for nothing. So mao na siya. They don't want you to tell the truth. They don't want for you to know the truth. And they will do everything para madaot ang mga tao nga pareha na ako nga mo prangka ninyo nga kamuray gibuang-buang o kamuray gihimong katawanan. And it hurts me. It hurts me because it involves my friends. It involves my friends nga gibaw ka, makita na ko akong friend nga grabe kahadlok. Nga halos maghilak-hilak sa kahadlok. Nga kanabitang, for what? For what? Diba? Kaya makiposta ko ninyo mismo ang PNP na igisulti. There is absolutely no warrant. There is absolutely no case and no reason for a raid. Unsa may raid? Unsay i-raid? But in fact, naay alarm and scandal. And that people and those people nga nagsugod anak mo ni dapat kasuhan. Kanabitong purveyor of fake news na grabing pagpamakak sa mga tao sa Davao City para padugang sa pusta. The reality is, you should be honest to the people of Davao City kung unsay angay proseso, which is mo na siya. We appeal for interim release so that our prayers for him to come home matinuod. Kana. Nothing more than that. Ang inyong prayer rally, sige, continue. Pero kanang mag-create bitaw gid mong senaryo, kanang maghimo-himo na lang gid bitaw mo para padugang sa pusta. Unsa man na best, never-ending nga show sa ABS-CBN? Batang Quiapo? What? And that's why you don't like the truth. You don't like it because it goes against every single lie you ever told to the people who loves PRRD. You keep this up. Sige, fine. But for right now, I'm telling you, kanang inyong gipahibaw sa inyong utok nga raid, nga kintahay gimugna-mugna. Why mugna best? Until you can come up with a probable cause for a case, for a warrant, and for a raid, then that's all fake news and himo-himo na ninyo. And you are the worst type. You are the worst type. Balik ko na ko ha? Worst type of script writers. Kay grabe na gyud. Grabe na gyud. That's love and loyalty. You don't do that to people who are loving and loyal to you. You tell them the truth. But then again, you wanna use them. So go ahead, kay inyo man na. Ingat! Mwah!